So we're here now at Sneaker Street in Hong Kong. So as you guys can see, there's a giant Adidas, there's a giant Jordan store over there, a giant Nike, yung decorations niya Chinese New Year. So we're going to go around. Oh, silip tayo ng Adidas guys. Meron dito yung Adizero, which is one of their newest running sneakers. Sweet, ganda ng kulay. Tapos ito yung Chinese New Year, parang Balenciaga inspired sneakers nila. Black, Chinese New Year itong dalawa, white tapos black. We have more Chinese New Year sneakers. Oh, ganda nito. Pose Millen 899. So you have the Campus and the Zamba. So dito sa Nike may promo, 20% off on one full priced item, plus 10% lower pa on markdown items. So tingin tayo. Running shoes muna. Ito yata yung Chinese New Year ulit eh. Hindi, Pegasus lang. Ito yung Chinese New Year na Air Force One. Oh, babe, Air Force One na Chinese New Year. Tapos parang may chain. Tapos parang, ang ganda oh.
Snake kasi diba?
A Year of the Snake ba? 949 HKD. Ano yung sabihin na red dot? Baka may discount pag may red dot. Diba? Grabe naman to. In Invincible Run 3. Buy one item, get 20% off. Nakalula yung midsole. Daming Air Force One, oh. White, red, triple white. Parang UNC colors. So nga yung Chinese New Year. Nothing much except for the Chinese New Year. We're going to head over sa New Balance across the street. And then hopefully try to look for an ASIC shop. Diba, babe? Kasi may drop si... Ano yun? Bleach. Sana meron dito. So we are here at New Balance sa Sneaker Street. Open air style. Pasok na tayo. $9060. Oh, this one looks nice. Fresh Foam More. 1299. Oh, mga wide foot friendly to. Medyo mahal lang pero oh, baby, you see anything you like? Ba't mo siya gusto? Bili na ba natin? Katayo mo.
No.
Team pa tayo. $509s, 2002Rs. First time ko to see these, pero naka-sale na sila. Forward Runner, Warp Runner. 769 na lang. So mga basic colorway siya. So 769, Yeezy vibes. So we just came from New Balance. May nagustuhan ka ba dun, babe? Apart from the tinuro mo, yun yun. May nagustuhan ako mga V6s. There's one in brown, which looked really nice. And there's also one in parang blue. But the problem was the prices were just really, really high. Para pass muna tayo, pass. Okay, ngayon ko lang nalaman na may Air Jordan 39 na pala. Ganun na kadami yung number. Yeah, this one looks nice though. 1599. Diba? Nakalo yung texture. Tignan nyo. Ano ba tawag mo dyan, babe? Ang ganda eh. 899. Yan na ba yung first Jordan 1 mo?
Parang ballet.
Dahil sa ano niya? Straps.
Pero if it was low, maybe.
Jordan 1 na to eh. High. Okay, I did not know na meron palang physical store si StockX. First time ko to see one in Hong Kong. Yan yun, di ba? Sa Pop Mart. Si Hirono ng Vans. Cute. Oh, fighting t-shirt pa. Oh, may ganito pala. Jujutsu Kaisen Skechers sneakers. What? May Dubrey pa. Sweet. Character sa likod. Embroidered logo. Bili kaya tayo. Bili kaya. Kasama po bata. Mukha na yan, no? Okay, mukhang it's a big no. Pero, ito pa ibang designs. Ito si Gojo. Di mo kaya si Gojo? Di ba si Gojo?
Ah!
Di ba? Oh. Di ba bagay sa akin? Mukhang pambata, no? Because of the character in the back. Okay guys, we tried to convince. So dyan nagtatapos ang ating sneaker hunting journey sa Sneaker Street. Unfortunately, wala tayong nabili. Wonk! So, tuloy natin yung vlog pagdating sa hotel. So, should you go to the Sneaker Street here in Hong Kong? Well, if you are just, I guess, looking for an immersive sneaker experience and you happen to be in Hong Kong, then yes. There are a variety of shops that you can check out. All the brands, you know, all the different multi-brand stores are there as well. But I don't think you can find anything rare. It's nowhere near like the Harajuku experience, if you know what I mean, wherein it's really, as in like immersed and like crawling with sneaker culture and that kind of vibe. But it is still fun. It's more shopping more than it is culture, I think. I didn't end up buying anything. I think it's primarily because I already have a lot of shoes and there wasn't anything that caught my attention. And yeah, if that's probably, I think, the only reason why you wanna go there. It just so happens you're in Hong Kong and you're looking for something sneaker related to immerse yourself in. Now, very quickly to end the video, sneaker of the trip. This is what I've been wearing the whole trip. This is the Allbirds shoe. I've been a fan of Allbirds for a while now, and they just happen to be the most comfortable and stable sneakers, at least in my opinion, that I can wear and clock in like thousands and thousands of steps without necessarily getting tired or my flat feet getting punished like crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys are all having fun and you're all having a great new year. It has been a while since I last uploaded a video, but I will try my best. I am thinking actually of making more channels that are more niche, because the problem I think that happened with this channel is that we uploaded too many topics, kind of splitting up the audiences significantly. So I'm considering thinking of putting up a channel specific to everyday carry or maybe to tech. I still haven't decided yet. Who knows? Maybe I'll just dump everything here. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing fine. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.